Switch off the ignition switch. Remove the air filter. Disconnect the camshaft position sensor connector. Switch on the multimeter to the voltage position. Connect the black tester pin to the negative terminal of the battery. Switch on the ignition switch. Connect the red tester pin to the connector number 1 pin. The measured normal voltage is 5 volt. Connect the red tester pin to the connector number 2 pin. The measured normal voltage is 0 volt. Connect the red tester pin to the connector number 3 pin. The measured normal voltage is 12 volt. Install the camshaft sensor connector. Install the air filter assembly and clear the fault code with the X431 diagnostic device.